Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to say it's such an honor for us to be the presenter of Borobudur International Symposium 2024. Before we start the presentation, I want to introduce the authors here. First is me, Kartini. The second author is Desi Lestari Saptarini. The third author is Rahman Nurfaida, and the last is Habib Sahal Khomeini. We are from Mining Engineering Politeknik Negeri Banjarmasin. The title of our presentation, Improving Slope Stability in Coal Mines, a Case Study. The background of the problem. The stability of open pit mine slopes is one of the critical issues that pose a high risk if the slope fails. Slope failure can endanger workers and disrupt production process, thereby affecting mining productivity. Therefore, to ensure slope safety, continuous monitoring, observation, and further treatment are necessary to minimize the likelihood of slope failures. In the observed area, a planar slide of approximately 120 meters occurred in Block 18 at the low wall of pit QR PT XYZ, South Kalimantan, accompanied by a 500 meters long crack. The objective of this research is to determine the factor of safety of the slope before and after post-landslide remediation in Block 18 low wall area and the appropriate slope stabilization. The methods of our research based on the slope stability depends on the driving and resisting forces acting on the slope. Driving forces are those that tend to cause the slope to fail, while resisting forces are those that maintain the slope stability. If the resisting forces are greater than the driving forces, the slope is considered stable. We can look at the picture. Rock slope stability is influenced by several factors, including slope geometry, geology structure, groundwater condition, physical and mechanical properties of the rock, and forces acting on the slope. The ratio of resisting forces and the driving force is expressed as the factor of safety, or Fs. Can be looked at the equation. And the methods, the factor of safety was calculated using SLAT 6.0 software with the Bishop method. The minimum factor of safety refers to the company's regulation, which is a minimum of 1.3 with a 100 with a 0% probability of failure. Calculation of the factor of safety before the landslide will focus on the landslide area at level 50 and 40. Calculation of the factor of safety after the landslide were conducted on the repair area at level 60 and 40. A seismic load of 0.05 G was used based on data from the company. The slope was assumed to be saturated. We can look at the picture. The research result. Before slope stabilization, the factor of safety Fs equal to 1.19. This is not stable. This is the material properties of the simulation of slope. The slope stabilization, slope geometry, the slope geometry modification applied to the post-landslide slope involves reducing bench height and flattening the slope angle. the counterweight method, and the geomembrane installation. The counterweight method is used to stabilize slopes after a landslide or to prevent future landslides. By adding weight to the bottom of the slope, we reduce the forces that could cause another landslide. The counterweight acts as a barrier at the bottom of slope. And the second slope stabilization is geomembrane installation. A geomembrane is a waterproof plastic sheet used in a construction. The purpose of geomembrane installation is to stabilize the low wall area by preventing landslide, reducing water infiltration, and channeling water to a collection point. The picture show that the geomembrane installation to the right. The result of after slope stabilization, the factor of safety is 1.33 and the counterweight method is 1.72. The factor of safety is stable based on the minimum regulation 1.3. Conclusion. The factor of safety before slope stabilization is 1.19, is not stable. The slope stabilization applied to the post-landslide slope involves reducing bench height and flattening the slope angle, yet counterweight method and geomembrane installation. The factor of safety after slope stabilization is 1.33 for overall slope and 1.72 for counterweights that is stable.